Hi, Ron from Clarity. How do you improve your search rankings with Google and other major search bots, as well as provide a better user experience for potential buyers on your site looking for a product on your e-commerce or marketplace? We do that with Aliases. Well, how does that work? Well, if you shop online much, you've seen that many products have both different names and different part numbers. One item may be called a monitor or screen, TV, flat screen, television. You get the point. How do we ensure that no matter how the user searches your site, they find the matching product? Better yet, how do they find when they search for a competitive product or even last year's part number that you happen to have a replacement for, but your SKU is a different part number? Add in B2B, and you've got manufacturer part numbers and SKUs, Granger part numbers, UPCs, ASINs. I've got one client that has their own SKU number as well as 7 alternate SKUs for every single product in their catalog. How do we deal with that? Well, to begin, here in the catalog, we're looking at my 2-pan warmer, and we can see the SKU for that product is IO-warm-2pan. I'm going to make up a competitive part number and search for that number, G12345667, which, when we search, produces 0 results. A Google study shows that 77% of visitors that search for an e-commerce product on a site and can't find it, leave that site and never return. Don't let that ever happen to you. Let's change that. Heading over to the admin dashboard, I'll navigate to my inventory products management dashboard, filter on IO control products, and view that IO controls 2-pan induction warmer. Scrolling down to the marketing area, we have 2 sections. The first is for search keywords, and the second for SEO meta settings. For this exercise, we're going to use the search keywords field. This is where we can add any number of text entries to be indexed with the product's other content. So we could enter a competitive part number like G12345667, or we could add other synonyms like warming tray, warmer, steam table, etc., so that all those text entries will be indexed for both Google, crawling, and the search engine on your marketplace. Let's save this, go back, and we re-index our products. Upon success, I'll head back over to our storefront. We'll do a quick search for G12345667, and voila! The first product that shows up is our IO Controls Induction Warmer 2-pan that we added our search keywords to. So in summary, to ensure that users when searching for yours or competitive products can find your products, you need to add all the keywords and part numbers that can be used in a common search to your searched index product content. I hope this feature can help drive more conversions on your site. Simple yet powerful. Thanks for watching.